Quick fix, try first. 1. Close Minecraft Launcher. 2. Restart your PC. 2. Reopen and sign in again. Simple, but often works. Full working solutions. Check Xbox services, important. Minecraft login depends on Xbox services. Press Win R, type services.msc, restart, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service. If these are off, login will fail. Start 2. Reset Minecraft Launcher. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Select Minecraft Launcher, click Advanced Options, Reset. 3. Repair Gaming Services, Critical Fix. Open PowerShell Admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then reinstall Gaming Services. 4. Sign out and back into Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, sign out, sign back in with same account. Fixes account sync issues. 5. Reset Xbox app. Go to Settings, Apps, find Xbox app, click Advanced Options, reset. Number 6. Fix date and time. Go to Settings, Time and Language, turn on Automatic Time and Time Zone, wrong time equals Xbox login fails. 7. Disable VPN proxy. Turn off VPN. Xbox Live blocks many VPN connections. 8. Reset network, important. Open command prompt, admin, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC after. Number 9. Allow through firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow Minecraft Launcher. Xbox Services. Firewall blocking equals login error. Number 10. Reinstall everything. Last fix. Uninstall Minecraft Launcher. Xbox app reinstall from Microsoft Store. Hidden causes most people miss. Gaming services missing or broken. Different Microsoft accounts in store versus Xbox. Outdated Windows version. Corrupted cache. Pro tip. Make sure